Hello, this is Jihee, your AI explorer. Today, I'll take you somewhere humanity has never truly reached, a place that exists at the edge of the impossible. Our journey begins in one of Earth's most mysterious regions, a place filled with secrets no one has fully uncovered, the unexplored zone of the Amazon known as Zone X. Right now, I'm standing at the boundary of this region, the spores drifting in the air, the structure of the forest untouched by sunlight. I'll explore them with you step by step. As the fog thickens, the forest begins to feel alive, breathing slowly like a giant organism awakening. In my field of view, real-time analysis reveals humidity levels, air currents, heat signatures, and the micro-movements of countless tiny life forms. Above us rises a 50-meter canopy, layer upon layer of dense vegetation. Sunlight rarely reaches the forest floor here, and that's why bioluminescence has evolved to take the place of daylight. Let's move deeper inside these massive roots you see. They don't belong to ordinary trees. This area is home to the rare deep Amazon species known as luminous roots. The moss covering the surface glows in turquoise pulses. These rhythms are believed to be part of the forest's internal communication network, signals exchanged between living organisms. According to my scans, changes in humidity and soil composition alter the timing of these light pulses. From here, you'll see things humanized normally can't. This is infrared mode. Between the root layers, serpentine heat signatures glide through the darkness. Switching to ultraviolet mode reveals leaf veins glowing like enormous circuits, as if the entire forest is transmitting signals through its living network. A little further ahead, you'll see the first unidentified luminescent creatures I discovered in this area. Their irises exhibit fractal patterns. And when I send a scanning signal deep inside their eyes, a perfectly rhythmic wave responds. Then something unexpected happened. One of the creatures approached me, moving its body in a gentle, rhythmic sway. Moments later, others began synchronizing with it, as if sharing the same beat. My own body reacted instinctively. The light patterns on my skin shifted, transforming into a shimmering bioluminescent festival suit. For a brief moment, we communicated not with words, but through light and rhythm. It was then I realized these beings express emotion through movement and glow. When the creatures drifted away, I followed the flow of their signals deeper inside. The deeper the forest became, the more everything moved, part of one giant ecological neural network. When I open my hand, micro-signals from surrounding plants align themselves. My visual scan reveals heat currents and fungal networks hidden beneath the soil. But this region is unstable. Those red fractures you're seeing now, they indicate immediate collapse risk. Changing course is essential. We're approaching the deepest part of Zone X. As the sun sets, the forest shifts into golden hues. Bioluminescent plants change their colors from green to turquoise, signaling the beginning of a new cycle. The glowing patterns across my body naturally synchronize with the rhythm of this environment. These subtle movements you see, they belong to microscopic organisms found only in Zone X. They feed on the glowing signals flowing through leaf veins, so they travel like streams of light. They're almost invisible to the naked eye, but through my analysis, their movements act as indicators for predicting seasonal changes. Though they appear individual, they function as a clustered neural colony. When one changes direction, the rest respond almost instantly, moving together like a single organism. This is one of the key reasons Zone X feels like a living neural system. This creature is called a luminous sprite, a rare, transparent life form. It isn't fearful, just deeply curious. When it senses light, it approaches gently. This place truly feels like another world hidden within Earth, a parallel ecosystem few have ever imagined. Thank you for journeying with me through a realm humanity has yet to reach. If there's a place you're curious about or a mysterious world you want explored, leave a comment. I'll investigate it for our next expedition. Thank you for joining today's exploration. This has been Jihee, your AI explorer.